I like thighs.
Oh yeah.
And I'll tell you why I like thighs. It takes a lot to overcook these babies, and they're gonna stay nice and moist during our low and slow cooking process. Here we have about 2 tablespoons each of fresh thyme, fresh dill, tiny bit of fresh parsley. You can really use any herbs you like. And now we'll grab the lemon, and we'll give that a slice. Now we're ready to put everything in the pot so that it can get heated. We've got our stick of butter, all of the lemon, seeds and everything, doesn't matter. 4 cloves of garlic, the juice of a lemon, 2 cups of water, and now it's time to add either beer or wine or chicken stock. Now let's get the seasoning in there. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of our steakhouse seasoning. And then we've got to heat this up and we can taste it. Oh, that smells so good. We're at the grill and we've got our beer, butter, lemon mixture here. And I'm just gonna start dunking chicken. The grill's on low and we're gonna be cooking this chicken for about an hour or until it's done. Let's take a peek. It's cooking. Just gonna rest this on the edge of the grill while we dunk again. It's been 10 minutes. So we're gonna do this every 10 minutes. And you would not believe the wonderful smell. All right, check it out in 10. I'm back. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, getting some good color on the skin. And back it goes. All right, we're getting there. Got a long way to go. I'll show you when it's done. Get shopping already, come on.